Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Hopeful Minimalist. My name is Sabrina and this channel is a safe space for handbag admiration. So if you love handbags, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. In today's video, I have a quick unboxing to share with you. First, I also have my bag of the day. This is my mini Boston bag from Melody Cecile, Dress Up Your Purse. This is one of the first Boston bags that I got from Dress Up Your Purse, and I love this bag. It is like simple elegance to me. It doesn't have a lot going on. I added this charm right here from Amazon, but it's so, I don't know, it's sophisticated, yet it's not doing a lot. You can tell that the leather is great quality just by looking at it. And I just love a Boston style bag. So I still love this bag. I have one other one that I probably like more than this one, but that's not all I have. I have several more other colors, but the one I'm referring to is in this beautiful Tiffany blue color, and it's right around the time of the year where I will bring her out. So you might be seeing her soon. I do have a discount code for Melody Cecile Dress Up Your Purse items. It is the word hopeful, and I will have that bag linked in the description box. All right, now to the unboxing. This is an interesting shape for a box from Coach Outlet, but anyway, all that matters is that the item inside is okay. I was actually influenced to pick up this item by one of the channels that I follow. That channel is Content with Candace. So recently Candace had an unboxing of this very bag, and when she showed it to us, I was speechless. The color was so vibrant, and even though this is not one of my colors, I don't feel the most comfortable when I'm wearing this color, and I don't wear it very often. But I knew I had to have it when I saw her unbox it, so thanks for sharing, Candace. I will have her channel and video linked below. At the time that I watched her video, this item actually was not available, and as of today, it's not available either. But in between today and me watching her video, it did pop up back on the Coach Outlet site for a great price, so I picked it up. Because I watched Candace's video, I was kind of nervous to order this because usually if something's out of stock and then it randomly pops up, it's a return or it's a floor model. And this might be a floor model bag, but as long as it is in perfect condition, I don't have any issues with that. I just need it to not be defective. So Candace was very lucky. She got a fully factory wrapped bag in this color, but mine just has some tissue paper on it from Coach. So let's see how it looks. Okay. I think it's okay. All right, so I think it's okay. I don't see any issues. There is something on the bottom of it that is kind of wiping away as I look at it. There's a little mark right there. I think I can wipe that off. But what I was concerned about mostly was the corners having some, oh, what's that? Well, it turns out that it does have a quality issue. It's a scratch. Let me look at the rest of the bag. It does still have the plastic on the zipper. It also has both straps attached, and the inside is clean. There's still some plastic on the strap, so I don't think that the bag has been used unless, you know, someone used it with the short strap and then returned it. But I do see an issue on the bag, and I'll show it to you. So there is a scratch in the leather right here, and right in this area somewhere. And it looks like it's peeling. There are two little tiny spots where the leather is peeling, like right here and right there. When Candace showed us this bag, I was like, wow, that red. This is like my red. I wore red lipstick and everything for this today. But what I will say is that what I really wanted to do was wear this bag like this. Sometimes I'm not crazy about the outlet emblem. And so even with the Laurel bags that I have now, well, the one other Laurel bag that I have with this emblem on it, I will wear it facing this way so that you can't see the emblem. And that's what I wanted to do. So if I did that with this bag, this side would be covered up anyway, but it's still, I don't know, it concerns me that the leather is flaking right there. I don't know yet what I'm going to do. But anyways, this is the bag. It is the Laurel shoulder bag from the Coach outlet. And like I said, it is now out of stock again. It was on sale for $128, and I'm thinking it's because it's a seasonal color and we're going into spring and summer, and red isn't necessarily a summer color. I will definitely wear red in the summer. I don't wear red a lot, but red goes very well with anything denim shorts, white tee. So I will rock red in the summer and in the spring, but I think that's why it was on sale. You all know that I love the Laurel shoulder bag because it has the perfect slouch factor. And so when Candace showed it to us, all I could think of was just wearing it like this, on this side with the short shoulder strap and then the slouch doing its thing. And now I'm not sure. So I think it's a true quality issue, either from Coach or something that happened maybe in a store. This zipper pull in here still has the paper on it, so I don't think it's used. Well, this was the unboxing of the day, and it might be a fail. I'm not sure. Like I said, I will have to sit with it for a minute and see if it's worth me holding on to it. When I look away, I do have to try to find the scratched area, but I don't know what would happen if it flakes off completely. Like what color would be beneath the scratch if it flakes off. So that's my concern with keeping it, but it smells really good and it looks good other than that one problem area. So I don't know, leave me some comments and let me know what you would do. Hey everyone, it's me from the editing world. I decided to keep the bag. I have taken the tags off, and I think there's a little bit of plastic still on and some styrofoam on the zippers on the inside, but I decided to keep it. The reason is I feel like I got a good deal on it, and as of today it's still out of stock, and I do really want this color. I think that the little flaking that I saw, and I'll insert a picture because it's actually pretty difficult to see on camera and in person. I think it's pretty minor. I also considered that the way that I want to carry the bag is with this side facing outward, and this side will be towards my body, so it will be covered. And then the third reason is that I do have this acrylic finisher that I think I could put on top of where it's flaking, like just a tiny bit. It's supposed to dry in a matte finish, so I may try it like as a test on another leather piece, like maybe an SLG or something, just to see how it dries. But the spot is really tiny, so I'm not even concerned much with there being a shiny spot on the bag if it ends up drying shinier than the leather. But those are the reasons that I have decided to keep it. I think it's just too cute. I'm going to put some items inside of it now so that you can see the slouch factor that I was referring to. Now, I'm not color coordinated today. I'm just going to put in the items that I have handy. I have the mini pochette, my key fob, and my house key in this leather pouch from Dress Up Your Purse. It's burgundy, and then I have this envelope pouch from Dress Up Your Purse with all of my cards in it. I really do not need that many cards, but I just have all of them today. I have AirPods and lip balm. And this bag is one of the bags that I always say will spoil me because I can fit everything in it that I need and everything that I don't need. This is a hand cream and this is a hand sanitizer. Side note, if I didn't mention this already, my 6-year-old requested a Touchland hand sanitizer. They are $10 a piece. And for her, this will end up on the side of a road somewhere, probably. Not because she's gonna be on a road or anything, but I'm exaggerating, basically. This will end up who knows where, and $10, no. I got this from Walmart for, I think, $2.98 or $2.78, and I bought 4 or 5 of them, so imagine that times 4 or 5 if you're paying $10 a piece. So I think this sprays just like the Touchland. I have never even had a Touchland hand sanitizer before because when I see $10, I'm just like, no. But yesterday I did have a little bit of mom guilt because technically, I mean, it's the generic version. This is by Scent Theory from Walmart, though. If you are interested in having a spray sanitizer in the same trendy shape as the Touchland, but not paying $10 for it. But anyway, like I said, I did have a little bit of mom guilt, so I might get a Touchland for her. I don't know. I have not decided yet. But for now, she has plenty of the Scent Theory to use. I have my work phone, which is an iPhone 12 in the regular size. And I have my personal iPhone, which is a 16 Pro in the regular size. And then lastly, I have sunglasses, which I hardly ever carry this case because it's super bulky. But with this bag, I can carry it. And this is how she looks with all of that inside. And of course, I would be carrying the bag like this with this side visible. I typically do not use the longer crossbody strap, but it does come with that. And of course I have a little charm to hang on it. Let's see how this looks. This is one of the ones I got from Amazon, and I will link it in the description box in case you're interested. This is how the Laurel shoulder bag looks on me with the shoulder strap, and of course I have it on backwards. So let me know if you can see any difference in the way that it fits with me having it flipped over pretty much. This is the side with the Coach emblem on it down there, and this is the side with the flaking piece of leather. And this is how it looks on. So I don't think there's a difference in the way that it slouches based upon the side. I mean, I honestly just think it still has the perfect slouch. The slouch is what I love the most about this bag. So yeah, I decided to keep it. So we have a happy ending for the Laurel shoulder bag in bold red unboxing. I'm holding on to the bag. I love it. The color is absolutely beautiful. And so my red lipstick wasn't a waste after all. That's about all that I had to share today. So thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.